What is up, guys? This is Jay Hunter. I'm playing some Left 4 Dead here. This is the second mission, first chapter on Advance. If you want me to do something, just say it in the comments below. I'll do it in my next video. So, pretty simple. If you are watching this, please subscribe to Darth Knight and Wolf Gaming in my channel. Please tell other people that this channel is real. And spread it on. Keep going. This is like my 30th try to uploading a video. I'm wearing my lucky hat. Again, you can't see it, but it's camouflage and it's got a deer on it, which is basically my background and my profile picture. Well, at least on Google Plus and not YouTube. So basically, this is my good luck hat. Anyways, well, let's get started. Before I do anything else, I'm gonna shoot the crap out of this zombie right here. I said I was, coach. Yeah, he did. Alright, let's get out of here. Just keep shooting, just keep shooting. Jesus. God, why are those ones seem so hard to kill? Oh, I love these ones. They always drop, the green ones, they always drop a bio bomb, but it got buried underneath all the bodies. So the yellow suits are the CEDA, Facilitation, Emergency, and Defense Academy. Apparently that's what that says. Wow. Yes. Hey, Hunter, come here. Oh my god, get it off him, get it off him, get it off him, get it off him, get it off him. This is so... Oh yes. I think it's just never back. Oh my god! Your grenade launcher's gone, darn it. Usually there's a grenade launcher there. Man, I'd just go on a rampage if I had the pills or a shot. Decapitation! Decapitation! Did it... Ooh, I chopped off its head, I think. Darn it, if I chopped off that head, that'd be so cool. That'd be, like, amazing. They just keep coming. I'm keeping this chainsaw. Wow. I got this. Everything's all blurry and bloody. I probably killed like 500. Wow. You don't see this every day. Here, let me pull out my gun so you can see all the blood. Oh my god. Look, no running. They were running, so they learned their lesson. Yeah, that was funny. Oh, this way it is. I got my chainsaw. Okay. I'm low on fuel. What if you picked up a gas can thing and then refilled your chainsaw? I'm gonna go see if that works. That'd be so cool if it did. What is this?
Thelma, don't cry over spilled milk.
I bet a witch is up there crying because she dropped her milk. Get off of me. I'm not using my chainsaw, because if I use like one bit more, it'll go away. And I'll have a pistol, and I'll be mad. So, and plus I need to get some gun kills. Oh, I guess the yellow ones do drop bio bombs, I guess. Nuke! Yeah, I threw it in the car, I'm that cool. Katana, oh. You know what, I'm using it. I want my katana. Oh, time for katana. Alright, I got you covered. Wherever I just saved. Everybody loves kung fu fighting. Wah! Those fists were faster than lightning. Wah! Everybody loves kung fu. Ooh. I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna drink this. Oh, that's cool. Look, the liquid moves the way I move. That's awesome.
Oh yeah.
Woo, woo. Alright, let's continue. I'm like at 6 minutes. I'm wasting time here. There's definitely gonna be a part 2.
Here comes the fire, you sons of bitches.
Oh, they killed it.
Reload it.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. She is just standing there. I thought that was funny. Look, I gotta poop. Here's his foot. Take cover! Oh my god. That was fun. He was taking cover. Your head's precious. I'm just decapitating anything in sight. And keeping this, obviously. What if a paddle just like did more damage and I didn't know it? That'd be funny. Oh, really? I didn't get the test. Get back. Hear voices. That's good. Nope. Oh, he say. Oh, what the? Where is he? Yeah.
I'm gonna reload.
Shotgun. Shogun.
I got these pills.
Hey, I didn't. Oh, yes, drugs. Thank you. Let's see. What should I use?
Goes right here.
You can give me. Oh yeah, you can give me challenges too. Like, if you want, you can say like use an axe for a whole mission, and I will try that. Or use the new shotgun for a whole mission. You can, if you tell me it, I'll tell you in the video. Yes. Wait, what's the difficulty? Okay, because this seems easy. Ew! Somebody barf. That's nasty. Oh, they're dying as they went through it. You people are so smart. I wonder why they want to. Oh, that's pretty. That's something you see every day. Somebody had explosive diarrhea. Somebody had explosive diarrhea, people. That's a shame. They should have. Rochelle, she's like, help! I'm the girl. I'm dumb enough to jump. Oh my god. Nick, you dummy. You're supposed to stay up with here. See? I told you. You're lucky you didn't get hit, dummies. Oh my god. Right when I jumped down. Throwing a bottle of beer. I guess they come from this way. I should have known. See, we're at 9 minutes. I'm going to close this up pretty soon. A couple more minutes. Oh, Mom. Okay. Oh! What? He was on fire. Oh my god. That's supposed to stop them from coming that way. Not make them go that way. Damn it. Okay. Oh, hey. Let's see how all his body went all the way back. Oh, Jesus. No running. When will you learn your lesson? Look, the sign. They haven't learned their lesson yet, apparently. The ones that walk I don't kill. But none of them listen, so. See about this Oh, yep. They knew he was gonna run, so. Alright, let's see. I'm at 10 minutes. I'm gonna close this up in like 2 more minutes. Ew. Oh my god. I'm gonna run over here instead.
Spitting shit at us.
I gotta check defending. Ugh. See. What's back here? Oh, hey, what's this? Fire bullets? Okay.
Deploying fire bullets. Time to start some fires.
Really? Wow. You just had to kill me once. You need it. You enjoy this. Woo! There. Alright.
Up here.
Yeah, he better be dead right now. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Yes. They're on that way, and if they survive, that's retarded. Oh. Apparently, they're running at us from a mile away. Well, guys, I'm gonna close this up and leave it up right here. Enjoy your lives and having a fantastic life. This is Jay Hunter. I'm out. Peace.